Drinking tea is thirsty work. Would you like a cup of tea? Round 3. Cup of tea. You and me. Nobody else. Oh. Everybody else is here. Would you like a cup of tea? Yes. Drinking tea is thirsty work, don't you think? Please. If you finish your tea, you're more than welcome to have another one. Oh, me? Well, I'm very good at mad and quite hatter. Yes. Well, what about you? Are you a friend? A friend of Alice? What a dear boy, girl, everything. Nothing. Hats stand. Did you know that? And hats sit on a head. Quite. This clock. No, it isn't. It's empty. I'm sorry. I don't know why I tricked you like that. This is a watch. Well, a clock. You clock the time and you watch it. Do you understand? You can use it for lots of things. We're all late, of course. We always are. But it's never too late for tea. Would you like a cup of tea? Have you ever seen a handkerchief turn into a bunny rabbit? Roll one side like this, and then the other side the same, until it's like that, and then you fold over, tuck in that, and there, a little bunny rabbit, like the white rabbit, with much hair. Is a rabbit a hare? Hare today, gone tomorrow? I don't know. Do you? It doesn't matter, I suppose. Nothing really matters, I suppose. One day, a rabbit can be a rabbit, and the next minute, it can be a handkerchief. is the Hatter with me? Where are my manners? I must have left them in my other coat. Well, no wonder we're all late. This clock is running 2 days slow. No matter. You must be tired. Perhaps this will help. Look at it. Think of all the tea that you've drunk. Look at Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Look at the March Hare and the White Rabbit, the Queen of Hearts, who let them all have it. Think about who you are and what you do and what you make and what you threw away into the garbage bin of your heart's desires. Lay waste to worry and put out the fires. You are brave like Alice, be you girl or boy or anything in between. It's all filled with joy. And listen, folks, I've got a lot to say, but I'll save what I'll say for yesterday. Gosh, I'm completely forgetting myself. Would you like a cup of tea? Of course. Where did I put that rabbit? Who are you? No matter. We can still be friends. Did I already do this trick? It's a watch. A clock. You clock the watch, and then you know the time. This one isn't anything. But think about it. Think about who you are, and where who are going, and why you are, and why you are going. Off with their heads, the Queen of Hearts says. Do you know who I am? I'm quite Hatter, but very good at mad. And I hope that when you drink the tea, you feel glad. Glad that you're here. Glad that you're with friends. Interesting people from interesting times at a tea party that never ends. Perhaps one day you'll be just like Alice, and you'll live in a big posh palace, and that palace where you live will give you the ability to give and give. Not things you want or not things you have, but you as yourself. And then you'll be glad. Hats can sit. Hats can stand. And one day, very soon, you'll be grand. You know, I suppose if you don't know the time, you can never be late. I never thought about it like that. value for two, consumed by one. Double the taste and double the fun. Do you know when St. Patrick's Day is? Oh, my. But where are my manners? Would you like a cup of tea? You're a funny sort. I rather like you. But you can't drink tea forever. As much as I would like it. You know, we're all quite mad here. You'll fit right in. But you must be tired. Time to sleep. Would you like a cup of tea? And don't forget, tea is truth. And if you're not true to yourself, then you can have all the tea you want. Why don't you talk to some of my friends? See what they have to say for themselves. Or see what you have to say for them. Or what they say about you. Or if they see themselves. Or if themselves are there. Or if selves are them. Or if you